Hey boys and girls, I'm here today to read you Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks the grumpy toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad, you stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie, you stand on one foot and you hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Oh, Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and you sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, and he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, you sing a song, and you rub your belly. Pete does it. Hiccup. Oh, nothing's working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. So Pete takes a deep breath. Now, hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath and then blows it out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, Mom says. Pete waits and waits. And he waits. The hiccups are gone. Mom, you're so smart. The end.